In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign documents via DocuSign, an incredibly efficient tool for handling digital signatures. Let's get started by walking through each step. First things first, you'll need to check your email inbox. Look for an email from DocuSign, which contains the document you're supposed to sign. Once you've located it, click on the email to open it. Inside, you'll find a button that says Review Document. Go ahead and click on this button. This will redirect you to the DocuSign platform, where your document is ready for your review. Now that you're on the DocuSign page, you should see the document that requires your signature. The next step is to add your signature. Look for the designated signature area within the document and click on it. When you do this, a pop-up menu will show up, offering you options to either change or clear your signature. Go ahead and select Change to proceed. Since we're personalizing the signature, you'll be presented with several options for how to create it. You can choose to type a signature electronically, draw your signature using a mouse or touchpad, or upload an image file of your handwritten signature if you have one readily available. Take a moment to decide which option suits you best. Once you've made your choice, you'll need to confirm it by clicking on the button that says Adopt and Sign. When you click Adopt and Sign, your newly created signature will be automatically added to the document in the assigned signature area. It's important to thoroughly review the rest of the document to ensure everything is correct and complete before finalizing the process. And there you have it. You've successfully signed your document using DocuSign. It's a user-friendly process that saves time and resources, allowing you to sign documents from anywhere with an internet connection. If you need to sign documents regularly, it's worth exploring other features that DocuSign offers, such as integrating it with other platforms to streamline your workflow further. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes things easier for you next time you need to sign something electronically. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time.